Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to day number 6 of 31 days of scrapbooking layouts in December. Woo woo! Yeah, I'm keeping up really well, not getting overwhelmed. So this one is a layout with 4 photos that I'm going to do today. I have my page map sketch here, and you can see there's 4 bands of pattern papers there, and this one has some journaling here. Instead of the 4 photos, I'm going to use 3. And so what I have here, I have some black hemp because there's some twine or ribbon, not ribbon, but it looks like twine across there. And I've been following the sketches fairly closely, so I pulled out this hemp. I was going to use the Felicity Jane star ornament that came this month in the Felicity Jane kit here, but instead I'm going to, because it's gold and I had already pulled out memories for my title, I pulled these ornaments out of my stash, got some scrap paper and put behind it, and they're mirrored, made with metal tape, and then there's some mirroring in the paper behind. So I have 3 different ornaments that I may hang off this hemp. I pulled in this little banner piece from one of the Felicity Jane papers that I fussy cut around the edge. I showed you my title. I pulled out some washi tape that I might use. I pulled out this pocket page card with trimming the tree. I pulled out another deer head. This puffy alpha, this puffy title is from Felicity Jane from this year, and that's an old oh, I forget the collection. Merry and Bright, maybe. Geez, oh Friday, I hate it when I forget stuff like that. And I had the packet right here just a second ago. I was looking at it. That's what I have left. You guys will have seen those at Tuesday morning. That's where I picked those up. I picked up several packages of these, but several packages have had leaking. The little glitter on the inside has been leaking out, but these, thank goodness, don't. I pulled in some leaves, little branches and leaves that I'm going to use down here along the bottom. And the papers, I have 3 from Cartabella and then 1 from Felicity Jane. So we'll see what I can put together with all of this. I will put a close-up of the sketch, so if you're interested in using this sketch to create your own layout, feel free, stop the video and either screenshot it or just leave it up while you create your own, because my video is not going to be very long today. I don't expect this layout to take me forever to put together, so by the time I get it done and then show you what I have, you know, I don't know, less than 10 minutes I think. Anywho, so have at it, have some fun with it, and I hope this inspires you. So I'll be back in just a minute. I am back with my completed layout. I have a few things here. I did not use my deer that I had previously pieced together, so it will go right back into my stash. I did use the hemp cord. I'm going to put that back away. I'll remind you of the sketch, and here is the layout. Now, I have previously done a layout about the ornaments with a longer story pieced on the back of the layout. So this one is just in addition to. For this one, I used the silver ornaments that I had pulled out. I backed them with the paper from my scrap bin. I put the hemp cord down. I used a little bit of the silver and a scallop border along the top here. I used my pocket page card. I used my December memories. I used the little leafy bits down here and that little shaker pocket down at the bottom. So this is another layout done in my December scrapbooking every day. So I'm really anxious to get this one into the album and call it done, which really, let's be truthful, I haven't put any layouts in my album this year. For whatever reason, I decided I was going to hold on to all of them and do it all at one fell swoop at the end of the year. I don't think I have near enough page protectors or albums to do that at this point. So anyway, guys, I am in the midst of doing the 31 days of December, 31 days of scrapbooking in December, where I'm scrapbooking a Christmas layout every single day. So make sure, stay tuned for the close-ups at the end of this layout, and make sure you come back every day. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do, if you're interested in seeing a Christmas layout every day, because I'll have a new one posted. And I'm hoping this series will inspire you to get into your Christmas stash or your scrapbooking stash, whatever it is that you do, whether it be card making or scrapbooking or just crafting in general. I hope this inspires you to get into your stash and get creating. I'm sure you all have lovely embellishments and papers and stuff to play with, and I encourage you to get it all out and play with it. This has really so far been so much fun. I can't believe it's day 6 already, and I'm on a roll, so I'm gonna keep going day by day. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.